Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log into your ByBit account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search ByBit login. Then click login or go to www.bybit.com/login. It will then take you to the official website of ByBit. You can either log in with your email and password, by your mobile number or password, by your QR code. Now let's log in with email. Once you have entered your email address, enter your password. You can recheck your password by clicking to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, press login. Then you should be able to access your ByBit account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password. You can also log in with your Google account or your Apple ID. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please do a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.